Japan's history begins over 2,600 years ago with the legendary Emperor Jimmu, said to have founded the country in 660 BCE. A centuries, Japan was ruled by emperors, but real power often lay with shoguns and samurai clans. The Heian period, 794–1185, saw a flourishing of culture, followed by the rise of powerful warrior families. In 1603, Tokugawa Ieyasu united the country under the Tokugawa shogunate, ushering in over 250 years of peace and isolation. In 1868, the Meiji Restoration ended shogun rule. Japan rapidly modernized and became an imperial power. During World War II, Japan expanded aggressively across Asia. But in 1945, after atomic bombings on Hiroshima and Nagasaki, the empire surrendered. Post-war Japan focused on rebuilding and quickly became a technological and economic powerhouse. Today, Japan blends its ancient traditions with cutting-edge innovation, making it one of the world's most unique nations.